Welcome to English Quizler. Today we'll work through a 40-question English grammar quizzes. Pause when you need to, note your answers, and check your score at the end. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's begin.
The correct answer is at dawn. We say at dawn for that specific time of day. The right answer is since 1999. Use since to show when something began. The answer is in the center of the table. In the center means the exact middle. The correct phrase is along the river bank. Along means to walk following the length of the river. The answer is by the window. By means next to or beside the window. The right answer is through the tunnel. Through shows movement inside and out the other side. The cat slipped under the fence. Under means beneath. The correct phrase is carry on with this project. Carry on means to continue. The answer is put up with this noise. Put up with means to tolerate. The correct sentence is we have run out of flour. That means there's none left. He decided to bite the bullet and accept the offer. It means to face an unpleasant decision. He accidentally spilled the beans about the surprise party. That means he revealed the secret. The correct choice is many reasons. Many is used with countable plural nouns like reasons. The right answer is a little time. Little shows a small amount of uncountable time. The correct phrase is some water, please. Some is used for polite requests. The answer is any questions. Any is natural in questions. The correct sentence is he is an honest man. Use and before the vowel sound in honest. The right answer is the Louvre. Use the for unique, well-known places. The correct sentence is neither the manager nor the employees are available. The verb agrees with the nearer plural noun. The answer is each of the boxes is sealed. Each takes a singular verb. Concur most nearly means to agree. Loquacious means talkative. Anomaly refers to an exception. Something that doesn't fit the pattern. Obsolete means outdated. The correct form is if he had left earlier, he wouldn't have missed the train. That's the third conditional. Reported speech, she said she had finished. Have becomes had in reported speech. The right answer is I would travel the world. In hypothetical situations we use would. The correct sentence is the company was bought by a competitor last year. Past passive voice. The answer is put off the meeting until Friday. Put off means postpone. The correct phrase is good at solving problems. Use good at plus gerund. The right sentence is every student must register before Friday. Every plus singular noun expresses all members. Ephemeral most nearly means short-lived. The correct phrase is proficient in 3 languages. We say proficient in languages. The countable word is tip. Advice and information are incountable. The correct sentence is there are many problems. Use are with plural problems and many. The right form is she is taller than her brother. Taller is the comparative. The answer is we walked past the museum entrance. Pass means moving by something. The correct sentence is you mustn't smoke here. It's forbidden. Mustn't expresses prohibition. The tag question is you can swim, can't you? That's the natural tag for a positive statement. The correct phrase is she paid in cash. We say paid in cash to show the payment method.
Awesome job! How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. I'd love to see how you did. If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more fun and useful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.